Good morning, students. So we are continuing our chapter number 8, air of chemistry, and first two parts are being taught by Shailaja ma'am and Sangeeta ma'am. Now I am here to start new topic, that is on page number 76, combustion of non-metals, metals, compounds and organic compounds. Okay. And flammable substance also we will cover today. So first is combustion of non-metals. So here we will discuss how when metals, non-metals and compounds burn with oxygen or ignition will be there, what they form. So on the first we will discuss combustion of metals. Sorry, combustion of non-metals. You can take any of the non-metals, that is carbon. Okay, if you are taking carbon, then it will burn with oxygen or ignition would be there. So what it will form? We all know it will form carbon dioxide. So carbon when burned with oxygen or ignition would be there, it will form carbon dioxide. So one thing we would clear, that when there is a combustion of non-metals or when they will burn with oxygen, we will get oxides. So here we have got carbon dioxide. Another example you can take sulfur. If sulfur will burn with oxygen or ignition would be there, it would give sulfur dioxide. So what will form? What it will form? Dioxides. Whether it is monoxide or dioxide, trioxide, it will form dioxides. Okay. Now combustion of metals. If we are taking any of the metals, suppose if we are taking sodium, sodium is a metal. No, sodium when it will burn with oxygen or ignition would be there. So what it will form? Sodium peroxide. Obviously oxide is there. Sodium peroxide, or you may write Na2O2, that is sodium peroxide. If you are taking another example, that is calcium. When it will burn with oxygen or ignition will be there, it will give calcium oxides. Okay. So combustion of metals also we are getting oxides. Here we are getting dioxides. Okay, but here in metals we are getting oxides only. Okay. You can take another of the example also, magnesium. When it will burn with oxygen, ignition would be there, it will give magnesium oxide. So when combustion is there of non-metals, it is giving dioxide. When combustion of metal is there, it is giving oxides. Okay, but sodium is giving sodium peroxides. Now, iron when ignited burns in oxygen to form a black solid, which is mixed oxide of iron second and iron third. We all know iron is having two valencies, iron second and iron third. That is a mixture of FeO and F2O3. If you are taking iron, when it is burning with oxygen or when ignition is there, what it will give? Tri-iron tetraoxides. That is tri-iron tetraoxide. So you have to know that when iron is burned with oxygen, we will get Fe3O4. That is tri-iron tetraoxide. 3 iron and 4 oxide. Here everybody? So don't get confused. When iron is burned with oxygen, ignition will be there of iron. It will give tri-iron tetraoxide. Clear? Now third is combustion of compounds. You can take any of the compounds. That is methane or organic compounds are there. Okay, organic compounds, that are compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. They are organic compounds. So here we will take methane, butane. These are the compounds. So if we are taking the methane, that is CH4. Methane is CH4. When it will burn with oxygen, what it will give? CH4 plus oxygen, what it will give? Carbon dioxide. CO2 and water, that is H2O. Why it is giving H2O? Here CH4 is there, no? CH4 plus O2, that is giving carbon dioxide and H2O. When it will balance, you will study further, okay, how it will balance the equation. So when combustion of compounds will be there, it will give carbon dioxide and water. In the same way, you can take the example of butane also. When butane will burn with oxygen, the addition will be there. The same thing you would get, that is carbon dioxide and water. In the same way, alcohol, that is OH. No? Alcohol, when it will burn with oxygen, it will give carbon dioxide and water. Alcohol is C2H5OH. Okay, OH is when something alcohol is there, it's methyl alcohol. So, what is the symbol of that? OH. Here we are taking alcohol, that is C2H5OH. Okay, when it will burn with oxygen, it would same we will get, that is carbon dioxide and water. Only what we have to do, we will change the compound name also. Here we have taken methane. In place, you can take butane also, you can take alcohol also, you can take acetone also, but the same thing, we will get the product, that is carbon dioxide and water. Clear everybody? So now next topic, that is flammable substance. What are flammable substance? A flammable substance is one which catches fire and burns easily. Okay, so we should not take a flame near a flammable substance. What it will get? What it will form? It will form a fire and it will burn easily. It will catch fire. So it is generally a gas. For example, carbon dioxide, methane and or butane. Or we can say that it's a liquid also, that is alcohol, acetone, diesel or petrol. But it can be a solid also, like a synthetic cloth. So this flammable substance, it's a solid also, it's a liquid also, it's a gas also. How it is gas? That is carbon, hydrogen, methane or butane. And why it is how it is a liquid? For example, alcohol, acetone, diesel or petrol. And how it is a solid? Like a synthetic cloth. So one should not take a flame near a flammable substance. Why? Because it will directly catch a fire. The bottle of flammable liquid should not be left open in order to avoid fire. So clear everybody? So today's what we have discussed? We have discussed combustion of non-metals, metals, compounds, organic compounds. Clear everybody? So when there is a combustion of metals, non-metals, compounds, what we will get? We will get oxides. In case non-metals, we will get a dioxide. In case of metals, we will get oxide. Only oxides. Okay, and in the case of compounds, we will get carbon dioxide and water. So what does the today's homework? Today's homework is you will write the notes about the related topics. Also you will draw table 8.2 in your notebook, and along with that you will write all these equations and learn that. Thank you.